Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy Elliott. Today I'm going to talk to you about the most neglected sales tool on the planet for salespeople. You might be thinking, Andy, what is this neglected sales tool? I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. And if you can dial this in, you will literally 10x your persuasion skills overnight, but also on top of that, you'll be able to control your sales and your customers more efficiently. So one of the most important, and I'm going to put here, and least developed, which means something that isn't worked on. If you had to guess what it is, what do you think it would be? Here's what it is. Sales tools in the planet is the salesperson's voice. What is it that you do when you sell? It's real simple. You use your voice, right? It's one of the least undeveloped skills that's out there. No one focuses on it, and it's one of the most important things. I'm going to tell you how to get better at it in this video and how to crush it. And it could be one of the things you're like, Andy, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not making a lot of money. I'm not selling enough cars. What am I doing wrong? Man, the secret could just be right here. So let's go through this video. I want to show you how to fix it, and I want to show you how to absolutely crush it by getting deadly with your voice. So most speech therapists agree that only 5% of the people in society naturally have pleasant voices. All of the rest have to be trained. So think about it. Are great voices made? Yes. They're not born. 5% of people got a great voice. If you want to kill it, you've got to learn how to train your voice. The question is, how? How do you train your voice? How do you make one of the best skills, one of the most deadliest skills that a salesperson can have better? It's this. I encourage you to get into a room with who? By yourself. No one else around, okay? And read out loud and record yourself. You may say, Andy, that sounds really silly. I'm going to tell you this. To get results that you're not getting, you're going to have to do things that you're not doing. So, you're going to be by yourself. You're going to get a book or something. You're going to read out loud, and I want you to record yourself. And after you're done recording yourself, here's what I want you to do. I want you to ask yourself this question when you're listening to the recording. Would I buy from this person? Yes or no? I want you to take a book, and I want you to record yourself. And what I want you to do, or maybe think about maybe the top 2 or 3 questions, right, that you ask customers nonstop. The questions that you ask hundreds of times, and record yourself saying them. And then I want you to look at the video, and I want you to actually just think, would I buy from that person? I mean, was that worth buying from? And if the answer is no, then guess what? The good thing is that it's a trained skill, right? And this is how to fix it. But the second thing is that it's probably something that could be costing you sales. This right here is one of the most neglected sales tools that people don't see. Record yourself asking the questions that you'll be asking hundreds of times. And if you're really wanting to become the true salesperson, I want to become the top salesman in the country, the top person in my store, the top person in the state, whoever it is you want to be, elevating your game. If you're truly wanting to become that top salesperson you're wanting to become, then you need to take this extra step. Is it going to be given to you? No. There's an extra step you got to take, and you must practice voice reflection. Voice reflection is basically the way that you sound and the way that your customers move by your voice. Now check this out. You must practice it at least every other day, and you must never stop training your voice. Persuasion skills will 10x with great voice skills, sales. So I want you to think about this. Your skill could 10x overnight and right now. How? Just by focusing on your voice. I want you to take, and I literally want you to just look at yourself. I want you to pick a book or pick 3 or 4 questions that you ask all the time to all of your customers. Maybe some simple questions that you ask maybe during the meet and greet. And then I want you to think after recording yourself, right? Would I buy from that person? Did that sound persuading? Did that influence me to want to take the next step with that guy? If not, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Here's the beautiful thing. Repetition is the mother of skill, but also repetition that you learn, put into place every single day into your work life, actually makes that skill better. I would challenge you to try this untapped, neglected skill at least every other day, and then I promise you, within a month or 2, your sales will start to double and go up. Why? Because people want to listen to you more. Have you ever had somebody talk to you and then maybe for some reason you're like, gosh, man, I just don't want to hear this person anymore? Maybe somebody's trying to sell you something and you do like the product, but the person doesn't make it seem that enticing. That's your voice, okay? This is a neglected skill. Now that you think about it, I want you to elevate your skill set and get ready to crush it. And by the way, if you're struggling or if you're ready to elevate your game, if you're in any place right now and you say, hey, I need a little bit of help, here's my cell, 918-210-0254, 918-210-0254. You can shoot me a text message. I will always help you. I want you guys to have a blessed day, but I want you guys to practice this neglected skill. Crush it, guys. I'll talk to you soon.